Recording a screen video is easy, but getting a clean voiceover usually is not. Background noise, unclear audio, accent concerns, and small mistakes can make creators record the same video again and again. Cadence fixes that from your browser so you can record your screen, clean up your voice, and create better demos, tutorials, lessons, and support videos without starting over. Cadence runs as a Chrome extension, so recording starts right from your browser. You can capture a single tab, an app window, your full screen, or your camera feed. Whether you are creating a product walkthrough, course lesson, internal demo, or support video, Cadence gives you a simple way to record once and keep moving. And if there's something that you don't want to show, you can just use the blur tool and hide those sections. Once the recording is complete, Cadence opens the video in the browser dashboard where users can preview, edit, and improve the recording before sharing it. With AI accent change, users can keep the original voice or transform it into a cleaner voice style from the available options. Cadence keeps the recording natural while improving clarity, tone, and delivery so the speaker sounds more polished without recording again. With AI dubbing, users can translate and dub the same video into different languages. Cadence can auto-detect the source language, let users choose a target language, and create a dubbed version while maintaining the timing and voice characteristics of the original recording. Cadence also helps to generate an AI avatar when you do not want to appear on camera and adds captions for clearer viewing. With trim and cut tools, transcripts, and summaries, Cadence makes it easier to polish recordings before sharing them with your audience, team, students, or customers. Cadence is built for simple sharing. Recordings can stay on your device, be saved to Google Drive, or be stored in the cloud with private or shareable links. For longer projects, pro users can record up to 1 hour in a single session with cloud storage, captions, layout tools, templates, and keyframes. Cadence starts as a simple Chrome extension for screen recording, then opens your video in a browser dashboard where you can edit, improve your voice, dub your content, create avatars, add captions, and prepare the final recording for sharing. Record your screen, improve your voice, share better videos. Install Cadence from the Chrome Web Store and start recording today.